Do you know what students hate most about the digital SAT? It's not constant questions, it's not long reading passages, it's not geometry, it's poetry. The number one concept that students tell me that they hate is poetry questions. So let's do one together because you could see up to 3 of these on the digital SAT. Don't forget to follow my channel because I post every day to help you crush the SAT and the ACT.
When there's poems on the digital SAT, I'm like, oh, why? Let me show you how I break down a tricky poetry question on the digital SAT verbal module so that you can get your dream score. Question 8. The following text is from Charlotte Grimke's 1888 poem at Newport. Now, we're going to have to figure out what the function of the underlined text is. So let's just read through the poem quickly, and then we're going to ask ourselves what's missing without the underlined text. Oh, deep delight to watch the gladsome waves exultant leap upon the rugged rocks. Ever repulsed, yet ever rushing on. Interesting that we have a negation word here. I always want to grab those. Filled with a life that will not know defeat. To see the glorious hues of sky and sea, the distant snowy sails glide spirit-like into an unknown world, to feel the sweet enchantment of the sea thrill all the soul, clearing the clouded brain, making the heart leap joyous as its own bright singing waves. What a beautiful poem. We get a lot about nature. We get a lot about delight of how wonderful nature is, right? The distant snowy sails, glorious hues of skies and sea, enchantment of the sea. Very positive poem. What would we lose if we get rid of these 2 lines? Well, I have a negation word that's helping me so much here. The waves are always repulsed, always being sent back, yet ever rushing on, a life that will never know defeat. I'm getting some sense of resilience here, of always going, of never stopping. Let's start with A. It portrays the surroundings as an imposing and intimidating scene. No, that's not the right tone for this. It's not imposing or intimidating. This is very positive. What about B? It characterizes the sea's waves as a relentless and enduring force. Okay. Yes, I can see both of those things. Relentless, it's ever rushing on. And enduring, yeah, filled with a life that will not know defeat. It's always going to keep going. B seems pretty good for now. What about C? It conveys the speaker's ambivalence about the natural world. Ambi is a prefix that means both. Ambivalence is feeling 2 ways about something. I don't really see that here. Not feeling, we have this yet, but it's not the speaker's ambivalence, it's kind of the wave's ambivalence. They're being pulled back, yet they're continuing to rush on. So it's not really about the speaker. What about D? Draws a contrast between the sea's waves and the speaker's thoughts. That would be true if we had ever repulsed, yet ever rushing on. Unlike me, I never go anywhere. But we don't have that. So B is the best answer far and away on this question. Great.